is not being patronized. And what are your thoughts about that? 30 seconds each, please, because Lancy would kill me otherwise.
I don't think independent cinema को box में बंद कर देगा कि purpose driven cinema है. The essence of independent cinema is freedom. एक व्यक्ति अपनी कहानी बोलना चाह रहा है, अपने तरीके से बोलना चाह रहा है, अपने तरीके से बता दे रहा है या बता दे रही है. That is, in my opinion, that's the essence in a sense.
Yeah, but the art, if it was to be looked at as art, and the artist is not told what to make, the artist makes what he or she wants to make. If it is patronized, then it is a budget given to market, and if it is marketed well, what Dimple very clearly said, and I agree with her.
Vinita Nanga, the moderator.
Very good art will also be commercially successful.
Filmmaker,
is what
editor.
is my suggestion.
No,
Because I think we are talking at a government platform, and it may be an idea to give to the government that they need to patronize independent cinema like they patronize art, and make sure that it succeeds like commercial cinema.
Certainly, I do feel that the government has done a lot. ऐसा नहीं है, in my opinion. In that last 1 year, I've seen, for example, मेरे पास इतने ही पैसे थे कि मैं बॉम्बे में रिलीज कर पाता. तो उस दौरान मैंने इंडिया केरला में जो कैराली थिएटर्स हैं या फिर एमपी में सरकारी थिएटर्स हैं, इन जगहों पे मुझे कोई अपफ्रंट पैसा दिए बिना मैं वो रिलीज कर पा रहा था बिकॉज दे थॉट. सो ऐसा नहीं है, दिस कंट्री इज नॉट, आवर कंट्री इज, it has its problems, but there are many things that have worked and will work. For example, ये जो नेशनल फिल्म आर्काइव में फिल्म दिखाना, वहाँ पे जर्नलिस्ट को बुलाना, ये सब was only possible.
Yes, NFDC does a lot, all of them. But none. 30 seconds, please.
Yeah, I think Vinita, very valid question, and at this platform, so if we could bring the attention to the taxes
Barnali
which are going on
ratio.
increasing on producers, because most independent filmmakers bootstrap, and we are the producers ourselves. और हम ये ख्वाब नहीं देखें कि थिएटर, जैसे मैम ने बहुत ठीक बोला, 3 तरीके की फिल्में, जो तीसरी प्रकार है कि ऑडियंस देखना चाहती है कि नहीं आपके, भाई हम बना रहे हैं, ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाने का पहला जरिया अगर थिएटर हो, और उस पर इतना स्टेट प्रोड्यूसर इतना टैक्स भरता है. इफ आई मीन आई अपील टू द पॉलिसी मेकर्स, इफ वी कुड गो इजी ऑन दैट, so that we can really go in droves to the theatre and watch it, and not wait for the A++ commercial films only, where we can we make now money. Now 4-digit में टिकट्स हो गई है कई जगह दिल्ली में, है ना. सो किसी तरीके से एक तो यूथ मूवमेंट को हम वो करें स्कूल कॉलेजेस में. So can the publicity, because I think the social media is a very interesting planet to be on. So youth, I think if we draw up the purposes, identify colleges across the country, how many universities do we have? And there's a tie-up with theatres, because we are a particularly young country. And more often than not, we would like to believe the Buddhis are also mentally young.
Correct.
Because
Yeah.
the butterflies have to happen.
We have to move on, otherwise,
Yeah.
otherwise
So
the
that's what
others
I'm
won't
saying.
get a chance to talk.
The tax structure
Yeah.
and
Done.
alternate pay.
Heard you. Wonderful idea. Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, I think state patronage is undeniably one of the spine of keeping independent work alive. And earlier also we used to have Films Division, LFDC, and I know LFDC is doing great work even now. That is very important, and I feel also spaces for exhibition, whether that's government or private players, if we have our more shows and more streaming venues for independent cinema can go a long way, right?
Can I quickly just one quick thing?
Yeah, but I really don't want them to miss their chance to say their name.
Absolutely. In the US, when we were doing our campaign, master campaign, etc., I saw that there are many boutique theaters. Boutique theaters. For
We were talking about cinema
so,
techs.
Yes. So
Yes.
we need that for sure.
I was just going to ask Tanmay and Molshi that if they had, or even if you had, theaters waiting for you because you are an independent filmmaker, wouldn't that be better?
That's Tanmay Shukla.
मतलब मैं इसको लिंक करता हूँ जो आपका ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन था. I feel like independent cinema can only survive if independent films work on scale. ऐसा नहीं कि हर फिल्म मेकर को कोई इंजीनियर like it only works if like 30 films a year are doing well in theaters and then they're doing well on streaming, right? तो अगर गवर्नमेंट पेट्रोनेज की ज़रूरत है, then I think it's like आप 5 साल लो या 10 साल लो ताकि आप वो एक ऑडियंस का टेस्ट कल्टिवेट कर सको, प्लस वो रीच कल्टिवेट कर करो, so that
ऑडियंस का जो आर्ग्यूमेंट है थोड़ा सा फ्लॉड इसलिए है क्योंकि ऑडियंस अलग किस्म की होती है, एक ही ऑडियंस होमोजेनाइज नहीं है। ठीक है, कमर्शियल मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा की ऑडियंस है जो सब कुछ इट्स अ लार्ज हिस्सा ऑफ द ऑडियंस, बट ऑडियंसेस लव डिफरेंट थिंग्स।
But for the audience that would support your film, for them to know कि आपकी film theater में और वो है।
या
I think मतलब अगर वो ऑडियंस वाली चीज़ है तो मुझे जब मैं स्कूल में थी मुझे मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म्स के बारे में ही पता था, तो अगर ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो एटलीस्ट लाइक यू गेट टू नो कि
बरनाली ने सजेस्ट
हाँ ऑल्टरनेट स्पेस एग्जिस्ट करता है एट स्केल, तो फिर बेटर होगा।
हाँ जी, डिम्पल।
So, इनकी जो इनका जो क्वेश्चन है
That's
उसकी
Dimple.
का आंसर मैं दे रही हूँ कि आपने फिल्म बना लिया, मैं अगले साल की बात कर रही हूँ कि मेरी फिल्म बन गई, ठीक है, पर बनने के बाद देखिएगा कौन, कैसे देखेगा? सो ऑल दीज मल्टीप्लेक्सेस इफ दे ऑल्सो गिव अस वन स्लॉट, वन पीक टाइम स्लॉट,
जो देखा पता है बिल्कुल वो नहीं चलता है। Government has to make it mandatory and government has to support independent.
गवर्नमेंट एंड प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स दोनों जब साथ में आके हमें वो मौका देंगे, क्योंकि आप फिल्म तो बना लेंगे बट फिर
Can I please
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rita.
I would like to, before we finish, thank you so much for the session. I would like to invite our artistic director, Vani Tripathi, to please come and felicitate each participant.
But we want her to say at least a few words because she's been the biggest support.
All I can say is this festival is happening only and only for these people. So big round of applause. There is no point in talking about cinema in air-conditioned rooms, which it is, if these champions of cinema of the country are not here. So
Vani Tripathi.
friends, go with the pledge. Go with this pledge. कि film good होगी, importantly. That it is good and not a bad. Hats off to you all. Salam to you, really.
Salam to you. We spoke about you, but you were not in the room.